What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. A lot more content is coming soon. Today we're installing the Angry Acorn, or however you say it. I'll link it down below. Wide body kit. This is an actual complete wide body kit. So this is my boy Diego right here.
What's up, guys?
We're gonna help him install it on his car today. We're gonna get started, guys. Let me just show you guys how the car sits right now. Nice front splitter. So he already has coilovers on his car. The only problem I do see is maybe the bumper. But we'll figure it out. So yes, he just got these tires and wheels. He's running pretty much the same setup as mine. ¿Cómo? Aron? Arhan, I don't know, but they're sick wheels clutch. That's the name. So these are 18 by 10.5, and we're running the 275 35 R18 all around. These are the Hankook Ventus V12, the Evo 2, so they're pretty good tires. Hopefully there's not a lot of hiccups. Like I said, the only thing that I do foresee is just the bumper, but he's gonna get new brackets, so that should fix the problem in the future. But let's get started.
He gets inside. Show him how we did it. Anyway, I have to cut.
All right, guys, quick little update. So we've already been here for 2 hours. Oh shit. So it started raining and it was windy, so we kind of stopped, and then we had these little rivets right here. So the ones that came with the actual rivet gun were super short, so we weren't able to push them into the actual body of the car. So what we ended up doing is that Diego went to go get some longer ones, so we were able to press them in all the way in with the gun and push them in, so it all worked out at the end. We did not cut the fenders. We were going to, but we felt like it looks decent like that. Maybe just spacers, maybe that would help it, but right now the fitment seems pretty okay. We kind of got the hang of it, so we should be a little bit more quicker from the front and the sides now that we kind of got the hang of it. It's still going to be probably more hiccups in the front due to the bumper, but what we thought of doing is, since the brackets are messed up on the fender, we can't put the bumper in, so what we're going to do is just line up the actual wide body kit to the bumper itself, and once he fixes it, it should be aligned properly with the fender. So that's one way we thought of doing that part. But for now, we're going to continue on this side. This is the only setup we've done for about 3 hours, so we're gonna keep on grinding here. So
one and done. This came out the best out of all four.
Oh, sideways.
I don't even know why we picked that up. Right on time. Damn,
right,
Daniel. Woo! I was about to watch it. Fuck that.
we finished right before the rain came by. It's super ugly. You already know this. It's El Paso. El Paso weather sucks, but now it's looking great. Of course, it's gonna need some work on the bumper, like we said before. We just lined it up to be perfect with the bumper. Spacers all around. I told them before, get 11-inch wheels.
I don't listen.
You don't listen. It's all good. Well, shout out to my boy Javi for coming clutch right now. We were struggling with that with the first back part of it. It was just really tough, but now everything came by. Everything came out good. Look at that thickness. Like I said, we need like 1.5 inches of spacers. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, just throw them down in the comments below. I'll try to answer them as quick as possible. To be honest, it is very, very simple. It's just the back parts that need to be aligned properly in order to get them to fit kind of good. Like I said, it has some spacings that can be fixed and aligned properly even better in the future. As far as today, that's going to be it, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate that. And huge thanks to Diego for giving some amazing car content here in the channel now. So huge shout out to him. Huge shout out to the boy Javi and his 6. We'll be doing more videos on that soon. He has it pretty much stock except for the exhaust system, but it sounds beautiful. But as of now, we're good here. I'll give you guys a little cinematic shoot probably later on because the rain is gonna mess us up. But we'll go drive it somewhere nice and we'll shoot it up real quick. But thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really, really, really do appreciate every single one of you for watching them. Don't forget to subscribe because we were having a 5,000 subscriber giveaway once we reach that point, and it's going to be freaking amazing. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys again for watching. Until next time, peace out.